Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Let me just kind of move this mirror. I'm very excited about this box. I don't know why, but I didn't think it was going to come as soon as it did. But then I looked at the date and I was like, oh wait, no, we're already past mid-month. I just feel like the entire month just kind of got away from me. So I just get the base box, which is $25 a month in case you guys are new. So as soon as you open it, you get the little pamphlet, which gives you the theme of the month, as well as all the products and the retail value. So this month is Flourish. And this is the little pamphlet right here. So the first product that I see is the one that I picked out, and this is from Murad. This is the Environmental Shield. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. You guys know I'm very into moisturizer these days, and Murad, it just has really good products. So I figured that this was a good option of trying out. And this retails you for $74. It's supposed to detoxify and revitalize your skin overnight. And a daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. We don't want that. So very excited to trying this out. I'm gonna keep this over here. So when I keep things in the box, I tend to forget about it. So I'm gonna throw this box away so I know to start using that right away. So the next thing that I see here is, it's nice and bubble wrapped up and I was struggling to open it. So it's from Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. Okay, so this is $28. That's the retail value. I hope this is dark enough to match me. I do like the packaging. Oh, okay, that looks dark enough to match me. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that's buttery. It doesn't really have a scent, just kind of smells like a powder, but that's the color. I feel like that'll go on well. This swatch is not really doing it justice, but I think it's gonna match me really nicely. There's no shimmer in here, so that's also really nice, because then if it works well, you can do it as nose contour and everything else. Okay, moving on, let me just kind of throw all this extra packaging away. So the next thing is from Sophia and Mabel. This is a hydrating hybrid 2-in-1 lipstick balm, and this retails you for $15. So it's supposed to be a lipstick and a lip balm all in one, and has vitamin E in it. It's supposed to be a full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Oh, the packaging is cute. The packaging kind of reminds me of Elf's packaging. You know, the new, well, kind of the newish lipsticks. See, this is the Elf one. This is what it looks like to me. Yeah. Put this back. So let's see this. Oh, that's a very dark color. Let's see how well it goes on. Let me just get this bronzer off of my hands. So that's the color. That's pretty. I'm smelling it. It has a light scent, but I can't place what it is. So I want to see. It looks like it can give you like a really nice stain. Okay. I'm more into pinks and nude lipsticks. Something like this I don't normally gravitate towards, but I don't know. With it being kind of lipstick lip balm, maybe it'll leave kind of like a little stain. So we will see how well this goes on and how much I like it. The next thing that I see here is from Lavish, and this is their eye collection brush. It's a pack of a pack of 5, and this retails you for $30. I have a couple of Lavish brushes and I did like them, so can never have enough brushes. Very excited. And the last thing that I see here is from Cobb Cosmetics, And this retails you for $52. Let's see what this looks like. Sometimes the packaging, I don't want to tear it. Okay, that was actually easy to open. Oh wait. Okay, it was easy to open, but it's hard. Oh no, it's easy. It's easy to come out. So this is the packaging. I do like the packaging. Very just nice and clean. And I lost the little insert. Oh, these colors are pretty. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. This looks like a beautiful everyday palette. I feel like you can do a lot with this. And these are a lot of shadows. You have a good amount of mattes and a good amount of metallics and shimmers. These actually look really, really nice. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. I'm really excited about this. So yeah, I think overall, I'm really happy with this box. There's everything in here I do plan on using. I'll be doing a next video or a video very soon, just testing everything out, the lipstick, the bronzer, the brushes, the eyeshadow palette, so we can see how everything goes on. And I'm gonna be testing this out starting tonight, just to see how all this works. But that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.